AdventHealth Orlando is the first hospital in the U.S. to perform implants, helping stroke survivors regain strength in their hands and arms. 50 procedures have already been completed. The treatment, combined with intensive occupational therapy, has shown great results, with even young transplant patients returning to sports activities.
Little things with turning the wrist, they weren't there. And with the Vivistem, it allowed my brain to recreate the new ways to do those things.
Vivistem is a vagal nerve stimulator specifically meant for patients who've had a stroke. We make it in a small incision on the side of the neck. We basically place an electrode that wraps around the nerve, and then we connect it to a small battery underneath the skin, much like a pacemaker basically. And that sends a signal through the electrodes, through the nerve, that helps patients who've had a stroke, who have weakness in an arm or a hand, to regain that strength.
Just the other day, I was able to start my car with my right hand. I couldn't do that before.
Before, I felt like there wasn't that much movement. I've started crocheting, so holding a crochet hook and going around and making animals and stuff.
It will continue to improve. That's a big thing. I am definitely more independent.
We are the first in the nation to reach 50 cases, and I think we're ahead by quite a few. Being able to give people a good quality of life is something that's very important in medicine. And I'm happy that Vivistem has proven very successful in that regard.